Guess we'll have to do this real quick. Oh! Sneaky, sneaky! NIDAC, 12 volts, 0.19 amps. I don't think there's any more blowers in there. No. Got a total of 5 blowers in that thing. In this whole Panasonic projector. Wow. Woo! Plus we got a speaker. Right guys, thank you so much for watching this part series video. And I will see you all next time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a 20 subscriber special. Thank you so much for all the love that you put into my channel. And I really appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Bye! And I will keep you guys updated if I ever find another one of these. Then I will put these fans for my collection. Alright. Bye bye. Bye.